Organic bags is a compostable carrying bag and packaging solution, eco-friendly alternative to single-use plastic and our solution to the single-use plastic problem and pollution. We launched back in 2019 and we are very happy to tell you that with more and more of technological development with a very competitive pricing, we are going to come back in Meghalaya with the industry, with the manufacturing unit based in Meghalaya. Very soon we are going to launch this product. When you use SE organic bag, it is 100% compostable, ISO 17088 certified by CPCB and Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. It's going to be a complete solution for the problem of single-use plastic pollution. Now you can carry your own compostable bags at home, to the market and to everywhere you go and use it with very care and very good, freely and friendly commodity to the environment. So this is a wonderful product. We are now in the process of setting up, as I speak, our manufacturing unit is under construction and very soon we are expecting to launch it in the coming months, most probably either in the, depends on the certifications, either in the last month of this year or in the first quarter of next year. We are very positive to launch it as soon as possible.